Alright, it's day 2. We got the car pulled in last night. We were able to put the tires up with some air. So we had to jack the car up in order to get some air for the air to grab on the rim wall. But we were able to get it in at least sideways here. We took the hood off. Obviously the hood's gonna need replacement. That one's already beat up. Probably saved the ducts and stuff like that. So right now, my brother's he's gonna start taking the spark plugs out, making sure everything's good, and then we should be able to try to get them started today. And then I'm gonna start labeling all the stuff for the 240 to get the wiring all set up today. Get them started also. So we might have two startups today. Stay tuned. We're on day 3 right now of the build. Right now we have the tranny up. We have to put it, the way you have to put it is upside down like this with the starter. We have to bang it out, of course, on top a little bit. It's not the prettiest way to do it, but it was the way to make it more comfortable for us. And then what you want to do is you want to have this the starter ear facing down, so that way she could slide in right away. And then if you look in here, you can actually see we're in the hole. But right now you don't see a clutch or anything in there or a pressure plate, just because we're mocking it up just to make sure the engine cranks over and all that, you know. Yeah, we're trying the starter out and all that, making sure everything functions before we go forward. But yep, she's on there right now. That's the RB20. Going back here, we gotta put now the. Sorry, I have to flip the camera over. What is it?
We still haven't made the review of the other project.
I did on the last video, but
Oh, the 280?
yeah. So right now you see how the tranny is like sideways. The tranny is supposed to be facing down right now. That's the way we have to do it in order to get it in. And you want some kind of support back here with the jack to hold it up for now, so that way you don't put any weight on the shaft in the front. So right now what we're gonna do is rotate it and then drop it right back on the. You need at least 2 people to do this, unless you have a lift, of course, and you know, professional stuff. But we're doing this in the garage. But yeah, so right now we're gonna be doing that. We're gonna be rotating it and then just bolting it up, so that way we can test everything out. Yo.
Como prendió eso, bro.
Is that the turbo?
Yeah. I told you that you're gonna hear it.
Yo. This just scared the fuck out of me. Oh my god. There was a lot of fuel in there.
There was a lot. Let's see.
Now it's just wrapping it up.
Yeah, now we know everything's good.
I'm gonna end up coming back down here like probably in like 2 months maybe. Just got it in today. It's gonna go on this bad boy right here. Wow, there's strong fumes over here now, bro. I can smell like the sitting of the motor like for so long. Yeah. But the sound of it, bro, is so beautiful, man. Like, oh man. Nice, man.
So yeah, so that's gonna be the next thing. We're gonna get powered up.
All right, we're gonna open up to let the fumes out, and then we're gonna set up for this.
We're like dying today.
Close. All right, guys, stay tuned.